This is Drew with Southeastern General Contracting, and today I wanted to talk to you a little bit about homeowners insurance and builders risk policies. So hopefully these tips will be helpful for you, whether you're building a home or you already own your own home. So some people may know this, they may not know this. The area that we live in, the Central Carolina areas, about 2 hours off the coast, we still have very high wind zone areas. And there's certain things that when building a home that we're actually required to do by code to meet the requirements set forth because of the wind zone speeds. The area that I live in Cumberland County, is the 100-mile-per-hour wind zone area. So that being said, something that is a definite must to look at is homeowners insurance. If you own your own home, but also for us as builders, we have what's called a builder's risk policy that has to cover the home during construction. Now, there's a few factors that come into play with that policy and cost, which I'm not going to get into all that because I'm not an insurance agent. But the one thing that you want to be thorough with is ensuring that your home has the proper amount of coverage. And again, that's whether you're building or already own your home. So you want to make sure that you have the proper coverage for the proper value of the home. Any buildings that are detached, you want to make sure those are covered. Any personal items inside the home, you want to make sure there's proper coverage no matter what kind of natural disaster it may be or accident, with a fire. The other factors that you want to take into consideration is whether you are in a flood zone as well. So most homeowners insurance coverages and builders risks have parts of their policy that go hand in hand with the area that you're in because they already know that information, which is good. So a lot of times when you're talking to an insurance agent, they'll already know what wind zone you're in and have that wind and hail type coverage. Now, the difference with the flood is it's not actually part of a policy. Some of them you can't even put it on as a rider or endorsement of policies. It's actually something you have to get from FEMA or another entity for the flood insurance. So flood insurance, if you're not actually in a flood zone, I would say is not that big of a concern. One of the things that we always like to do here at Southeastern General Contracting is ensure that our clients are covered for anything that could possibly happen. So if there's an area that we see as a concern in a build, those are the areas that we advise our clients on and make sure that they have proper coverage. In a nutshell, what I'm saying is simply have a good plan, make sure you've got the right coverages, make sure you talk with your insurance agents, and that doesn't matter if it's for homeowners insurance or just anything you're doing throughout your daily routine and in your life. Always have a plan and know what you're getting yourself into. Hopefully what I've said today is helpful, and this is Drew with SoutheasternGeneralContractors.com.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Southeastern General Contractors, where making clients happy is our #1 goal. Learn more at SoutheasternGeneralContractors.com.